400 years of our existence in purgatory in the United States, you know, you lose focus and sight on who you really are. Because that's an unfortunate snippet in time of your existence. But you go back thousands of years, and you have the proof which these artifacts give you to underscore that. It's not idle talk, you know. And there's pieces in this museum, other museum would like to take from me, and I've been offered for purchase. So I could be a very, very wealthy man and go along with that. But I refuse, because that's not who I am, and that's not what our people need, you know. So that's just the way it is. So thank you for coming. And if you have questions, so I just want them. I want them to go and just go where your mind, see what I know from collecting these pieces for so long. When people come to see my collection, different people go different ways. Invariably, that always happens. Because different pieces speak to you in different ways. You sense things from them. A lot of these pieces are spiritual. They have spirits within them. A lot of these pieces, our educational system going back thousands of years was from secret societies. There weren't formal school systems and things like that. In the African mindset, that was formal school system. Because not only did you learn about material and technical and mechanical things in secret societies, and about health care, and agriculture and building and everything else, you also learned about your spirituality and belief systems to sustain you. When we came to the shores of the West, that was stripped from us. I mean, it was a meticulous, strategically designed system that focus was to take that out of you, to basically to lobotomize you, you know, and that was very successful, I have to say, for most African people of African descent throughout this diaspora in the Caribbean and South America and everything else. So, but what I've also seen, which is very heartening, is that for many of the pieces that I have people come from all over the world to see my collection, and all over the United States. And what I do know for a fact is that when you're exposed to just a few pieces and you understand what those pieces are and their significance and how they impact you, I've seen transformations in people from the time they crossed the threshold to the time they left. They were changed, you know. And then they took upon themselves to learn more, which is what I tell all people to do. You know, because the more you learn about yourself, you know, and also you learn how powerful. You know. So welcome. This is just an introduction. We're here 5 days a week, Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the admission is free, so you don't charge you. This is for the public, and we try to be as accessible as possible. The only thing we do ask you to do, or to spread the word, we do need donations, not a fee, not an admission fee. Donations, you can go right on our website, which is you can get cards. I got cards here.
Before you leave.
Yeah, and